over some things from Wayfair, but I'm having trouble visualizing if they'll fit right in my space. Hey everybody, I want to show you a trick that I've been using for years to help me visualize how furniture is going to look in my room and how art's going to look on my walls. And guess what? Recently I saw someone on HGTV doing the same trick. I live in a small Cape Cod house built in 1953. You would think that it looks perfect, and it's perfectly organized because it's a small house. But guess what? As much as I want it to be organized and perfect, it's not. I'm on a mission to make this house more organized and create more storage and just update the overall look. This is my foyer area that leads into a dining room. That dining room was a bedroom. There was a wall right here. So we forfeited closet space because all this space in between was closet. And honestly, it is one of the best renovations we've ever done because it makes the house look so much more open. This room could easily be turned back into a bedroom if we wanted it to be, with maybe a little drywall or a sliding barn door. The other door could be put back on over there. It is also my sewing room. I want to put that piece here. So I'm thinking this bench on Wayfair would give me a little storage underneath because somebody here leaves shoes around. So I think about how life has been just in the past 5 years. First we had COVID, right? And I was like a sewing maniac, making masks since you couldn't get any masks. Then these sweet babies came to live with me. So that was a gift from God, my little kittens. And during that time, my parents were at a retirement living community. Mom was struggling with dementia, but was still in independent living. And Dad was in the care unit because he was having strokes and falling. So during that time, we could drop stuff off for them, but we could not go in and visit them. So we had that going on. Then my dad had a massive stroke and ended up passing away during that time. Now they put him on hospice, so they allowed us to come in and visit him. So that was also 2020. So that was a crazy year. After that, we had a wedding for one of our daughters. So we had a shower and a beautiful wedding. We had to move Mom into memory care, which meant cleaning out her apartment full of stuff, which I still have, and I'm still trying to sell and try to keep some of it. We do flea markets, so we do sell some stuff at flea markets, which is good. Then we had a second wedding. So another big beautiful shower and another beautiful wedding. So now I'm realizing that I have to stop being so hard on myself because I had a lot going on. And just this year, my mom did pass away of dementia after her long battle and struggle. So then we cleaned out her room at the care center. To make things even more complicated, my mother-in-law passed away from cancer in February, 3 weeks after my mother. It's crazy. Here's an adorable picture of my mom from 1943. So she was 4 years old. So now I'm hoping I have a little time to get things organized, spruce up this house a bit. That little cabinet was holding a lot of stuff. Luckily, it's not heavy. Don't like the color, and I know that that is a project. It's going to be painted to match this. Okay. I think it looks okay. I just want it painted. Little purple lamp here. Okay, now that we finally cleared the space, let's tape it out. I'm using the blue tape to make an outline of the piece of furniture so I can visualize exactly how big it looks in this space. I read a lot of reviews and people say that the piece is too big, they didn't realize it was too big, so I don't want to make that mistake. So I am going to tape it out, and it's going to help me visualize what it looks like. This bench is 31.5 inches long, and it is 19 inches high. I'm just using my yardstick and a long tape measure. And I've got a piece that is the right length. It's 31.5. And 19 inches is, inches is here. 19 inches. The outside line will be the size of the bench. I have oops. All right, 31.5. Okay, that is the size of the bench, and it's gonna come out. It comes out 15.75 inches. Now I can see the size that bench is going to be. In my next video, I will be putting the bench together. Now, the other place I want to work on is the bedroom. Right now, I have this mess here, and I want to replace it with this piece of furniture here, which is a long sideboard. I think it will coordinate with my old lame lacquer furniture, which I want to paint. So I'm hoping I like the color of the new piece, and then I can make these old pieces match it. Okay, this is the center of the bed. Just mark that. Got the long tape measure, and put it right there at that halfway mark. 30.6 inches there. about 4 inches up from the cabinet part up to 30.6 inches. Now we'll just take it across. And it comes out 14.7 inches. So it's not that far off from what this table is. So now I can see how big that sideboard is going to be. And I think it's going to look great. Blue tape is also great for visualizing where a picture is going to hang. Got this picture right here. Now that gives me an idea of how those pictures will be placed there. I know, I think that top one needs to come over a little bit more. It's too close. I'm using a little hook with a command strip, so if I don't like it, I can take it down anyway. Now when those pieces come in, I will show you them. Thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button so you can see more of my house projects. See you in the next one.